and we're going to bring you on a visit to Florence. We're just spending a few minutes in Florence in today's program. We brought you there many times before with Geographic's World Traveler, boarding our train in Rome, and it's just about an hour and a half's ride from Rome right up to Florence. And we get to town, get right to our hotel in Florence, and start the tour with our local guide, Ann Barbetti.
We have the Medicis as the Grand Dukes. That comes into the period also with Galileo. And you have then the problems with the church, the problems with Martin Luther, problems because for them they were problems at that time. And then we move toward the 1800s. The Medici family actually died out the Florentines in 1734. The Lorraines from Austria came at that time.
On the tour?
And now we're just going to give you a very quick 1-minute look at Florence. We've brought you here before and we'll take you back again with World Traveler. One of the great cities of Europe with its palaces and museums, its great churches and Renaissance history, the wonderful shopping, and just great streets for strolling about. There's a street market out in front of the Church of Santo Spirito that has a lot of local produce and organic and vegetarian items, handmade crafts. It's really great fun.